What are they? You gotta tell me what they are.
Chrysler.
Yep.
Dad.
Yep. What's that one? What's this one? Lily, what's that one?
Ferrari.
Yep. Keep going. What's that one? Lily.
KTM.
Yep. Just go one at a time. What's that one?
Maxelli.
What's that one?
Impedity.
Yep. What's that?
Juju.
Yep. That one?
Jaguar.
Yep.
Jeep. Kia. Lamborghini.
What is it?
Lamborghini.
What's that one?
Ford.
What?
Land Rover.
Yeah. What's that one?
Lexus.
Lexus, yep. What's this? What's the next one? What is that one? Really, look at it. What is it?
Lincoln.
Yep, Lincoln. What's that? What's the next one?
Lotus.
Next. What's the next one? Mazda, yep. What's the next one?
Mercedes.
You're not even looking anymore and you know what's next. What's the next one?
Dempsey.
No. Look at, what is it?
Dempsey.
MG. What's the next one?
Bentley.
Next one.
Mitsubishi.
Next one.
Nissan. Pagani. Chevy.
What is it?
Paya.
Yep. What's that one?
Versa.
Yep.
Scion.
What's that one?
Yes. Shelby.
Yep.
And Subaru.
You know that one?
Suzuki.
Suzuki.
Yolo.
Yep, Volvo.
Volkswagen.
Remember that one?
Era.
Acura, yep. Good job. What's this one?
Alpha.
Alpha what?
Alfa Romeo.
Yeah, Alfa Romeo. What's this one?
Esmeralda.
Yep. What's that one?
Audi.
Yeah, you know that one.
B for Bentley.
Yep, B for Bentley. What's that one?
BMW.
Yep. That one?
Bugatti.
Bugatti, yep.
Cadillac.
Yep. What's that one?
Chrysler. Dodge.
Yep.
Ferrari.
Yeah, I think we did them all. Is that, you know that one? Starts with an F. Is it Fiat? What's this one?
Ford.
Yep. There.
GMC.
Yeah, GMC. What's that one?
Honda.
Yep. What's that one?
KTM.
No, look at
Honda.
Hyundai.
Hyundai. KTM.
There's your KTM.
Orange.
Yep, KTM's orange. What's that one?
Mercedes. Suzuki. Jaguar. Jeep.
Yeah, I think we did them all, didn't we? I think we did them all. Good job, Lily.